Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video, we are focusing on question 3, 2-point perspective from grade 11. So if you are doing grade 11, this might be a type of question that you have been looking for. And then today I'm here to draw step by step with you on how we can quickly do this type of drawing. So please don't forget to subscribe and please hit that like button so that every time when I drop you get notified. Okay, so starting with our question, we have to inspect what we are given so that we can be able to draw. Also, we will need to read the instructions. Okay, and then you also need to check our criteria. Okay guys, so this sheet shows the front view, top view, and left view are placed in position to a 2-point perspective drawing. We need to determine the vanishing point and complete the perspective drawing. Show all construction lines and projection lines. No hidden detail required. Okay, so from our inspection, you can see that our roof is in the same line with the outer wall. And then this is the inside of the wall. Then we have something like a stoop. Okay, we have a window, we have a door here. You can see these hidden details are not visible enough. This is a door here. Okay, so what we need to do first, we need to check on what angle is our top view placed at. This is a 45 angle. Okay, so now we move to our station point, put our 45-degree angle to get the vanishing point. Okay, also on this side 45-degree angle. Then as soon as we touch picture plane, construct vertical downwards to horizon line. Also this side vertical downwards to horizon line. Okay, so now since we have gotten our left vanishing point and right vanishing point, we need to label them, guys. Okay, and then the first point that is attached to picture plane, we construct it vertical downwards, and we can see that it aligns with station point. So what we need to do is we need to start with the points that are not attached to picture plane. You align them with SP, which is station point, and then as soon as they touches our picture plane, you construct them vertically downwards. Okay, this is kind of thing that we need now. So you also need until here. Okay, so as soon as they touches our picture plane, we take them vertical downwards. Vertical downward. Okay, then from here you are moving to direction left, and to this side you are moving to direction right. Okay, left vanishing, and then to this side right vanishing until here. And then we have a height of our stoop. So this one first. Then also have this thing, I can say this is where normally most people sit. Okay, take it to the left also. Right, then also take this one to the left, also to your right. Then the end on this one here, quickly with a solid line. Then from here you're moving until here, because you can see here, you can see from here we move until here, and then from here we move until here. Okay. At the bottom move until here, then at the top we move until here. we need to extend this one to get the real height in our perspective. Okay, to get the real height. And as soon as it touches this line, you take it to our right. Because the direction is to the right, you see, it passes on this point here. Okay, guys, we will need to end here. Okay, that's more like it. This is fine now. Then from here you can see that this is where our house starts now. Okay, so what we need to do now is we will need to take all the points that are not attached to picture plane and align them with station point. Okay, this is the outer wall of the house, station point. Also this one, outer wall of the house, station point. Then also here, outer wall. Also here, this is the outer wall. That one you have already taken it. So as soon as it touches our picture plane, you construct them vertically downwards. Okay, so from here, which is here, you can simply point our set square to the left and then go until this point. This is where our house will be. Then it goes up until here because it is a stoop. Again, on a stoop level, we go until here, which is from here to here. And from here, we can point our set square to the right vanishing point, and then we can do our solid line on this line. And from here, we are going to the left, which is exactly here. Okay. Then, because the height is here, this is our height, we will need to start where we will need to start on the first, we will need to start at the first point that is attached to, or we can come here and extend this line. This is the inside, then this is the outside, and then you can take this vertical downwards and then go to a left vanishing point. This is our height of the roof. Okay, this is how I get my height of the roof. Then I'm going to my right vanishing point, and then also here I'm going to my right vanishing point. Then I end on this line here, also end here. Then from here I'm ending on this line here, which is this one here. Then from here I'm pointing my set square to my right vanishing point and then coming on this line. Then I now close my house like this. Okay, so now what is short? We are short with the door, and we are also short with the window and the roof. Before we go to the doors, please let's just start with the roof. Why am I doing this? This is the apex of the roof. This is the top here. Then we only have 1 2 here. We only have 1 2 here, and this one which is here. So we need this line here at the top, which is the apex. Okay, then we take the height of the roof from our front and side view, then we combine it with the one from top view, and as soon as they touches, because here we are going to the left, we point our set square to the left, then align this point to station point. As soon as it touches picture plane, take it vertical downwards. Where is it going to meet? It's going to meet this one here we just did here. So this is something like this. Then from here we're moving until here. We will need to take this one to station point, also this one to station point, then vertical downwards. So it's going to the point, also this one somewhere here. So this is going to your point, this is going to your point, and then it meets with this corner. Now there's no need for me to use this line anymore because I found this point using this one here. Okay, now we can do our window and a door. The first point, the first line that is touching the picture plane, which is here, this is the height. Okay, you can take them to RVP, because the window is on this side. We come on this wall, we have these points, we point to our left, go backwards, point to our left, go backwards, meaning this is the size of our window here. Okay, so we will need to take points that are not attached to picture plane to station point. We align them with station point, and then we construct them vertical downwards. Then from here to here we are going to the right. I can just align my set square with the right vanishing point and end on this line, and then from here I go to the top, and then from here to here, this is the left direction going at the back. Yeah, it's like this. And then for us to get there is a line here because this is an inner wall. I will just need to extend this line until this here, and then as soon as it touches here, I align it with SP station point. I take it vertical downward, and as soon as it touches the bottom of my wall here, which is here, as soon as it touches the bottom of my wall, I can align it to the left because this direction is also the left. I can align it with my left, and then I have to show that there is an inner wall here. Okay, now I'm only left with this part here, which is the door. I take my points, align them with SP, okay, now align this with SP, then construct them vertical downwards. Because I used the height, here's the height of the door here, okay, and here is our finished floor level. Then I can take this finished floor level from the first point that was attached to picture plane, which is here, take it to the house, and from here I'm going until here, and yes, so on this line here is my door, starting here until here. Where does it end? Comes here. Simply like this, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so we also need to show that there is a hole here, aligning with my right vanishing point until this line. And to show that there is an inner wall, from here I can simply align with my station point to show that there is an inner wall here. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this is the end of our today's video. If you found this video very helpful, please just take it to that like button, and please don't forget to subscribe. I like to say, let's draw it, let's see it, and let's understand it together. So if you need more videos like this one, please don't forget to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe.